وإذا قيل له اتق الله أخذته العزة بالإثم فحسبه جهنم ولبئس المهاد.
Whenever he is told, "Fear Allah," his vainglory seizes him in his sin. So hell shall suffice for him. What a wretched resting place.
ومن الناس من يشري نفسه ابتغاء مرضات الله والله رؤوف بالعباد.
On the other hand, among men there is a kind who dedicates his life seeking to please Allah. Allah is immensely kind to such devoted servants.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا ادخلوا في السلم كافة ولا تتبعوا خطوات الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين.
Believers, enter wholly into Islam and do not follow in the footsteps of Satan, for he is your open enemy.
فإن زللتم من بعد ما جاءتكم البينات فاعلموا أن الله عزيز حكيم.
And if you stumble in spite of the clear instructions which have come to you, then know well that Allah is most mighty, most wise.
هل ينظرون إلا أن يأتيهم الله في ظلل من الغمام والملائكة وقضي الأمر وإلى الله ترجع الأمور.
Are those people who are not following the right path in spite of admonition and instruction, waiting for Allah to come to them in canopies of clouds with a retinue of angels and settle the matter finally? To Allah shall all matters ultimately be referred.